In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to sync your Google Calendar to your Apple Calendar. So you have an iPhone, you want to see your Google Calendar information on your Apple Calendar. So what you want to do is just go to Settings on your iPhone or iOS device, like so. And then what I want you to do is just scroll down to where you see Apps at the very bottom. Or you can just go to Search or go to Search Apps and then just type in the word Calendar, like so. And then you want to select the Apple Calendar there at the top with the red and white logo. And then right here where it says Calendar Accounts, right there towards the top, tap into that. Once you're here, you'll see your different types of accounts. You'll see your Apple iCloud account, maybe a work account. And then you'll see a button that says Add Account. Tap on Add Account. Then you just choose Google right there about midway down. Go ahead and open the browser. This will prompt you to log into whatever Google account you want linked up to your Apple Calendar. So go ahead and either use your passkey or password to log into your Google account here to get the sync set up. Once you've done that, if we go back to our calendar accounts here, which is the previous section, we should see an account that says Gmail. Now you can choose if you only want, say, the mail to be synced or contacts, calendars, notes, and more. You choose. Just make sure you enable calendars when you're setting it up. Now, if we go back to our Apple Calendar like I have here, you're going to see a small calendar logo in the lower right-hand corner. Tap into that there. Now you're going to see at the top or somewhere there's a Gmail account. So what you want to do is tap into that and make sure that all of the calendars within that Gmail account are selected. So as you can see, if I go through and uncheck them, then it completely disables it. So let's say you only want that calendar shared with your Apple Calendar, you just put a check mark by it and you're good to go. So again, make sure you come in here and enable these by putting a check mark by them. And now when you close out, you should see all of your Google Calendar events will sync both ways. You create something on Apple Calendar, shows up on Google, and it works the same vice versa. Create something on Google Calendar, it'll sync up to Apple Calendar as well. There will be some frequently asked questions in a pinned comment down below. If you need any more help, go ahead and comment your question below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.